Okay guys, ever wanted an elegant way to let customers switch between collections while keeping one bold lifestyle image in the background? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today we're adding this collection slider section to your store, so let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collection Slider number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section. Type SK Collection Slider number 2 and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. Click on any slide and its settings open up on the left side. First option lets me add the image for that specific collection, whatever I want to showcase, and I'll do the same for every slide one by one. After this, let's click on the section itself. I'll try lowering the overlay color's opacity a bit, though honestly I don't think it really needs any change. Let's scroll down and I'll replace the heading with Shop by Offers, which works perfectly if you're running any special offer on these collections. Right below that you'll find font size options for all devices, but I won't be touching those right now. Below that there are collection link colors, meaning you can choose the color for both active and inactive collections, and even their hover color. Below that there's a shop button too, which comes in really handy if you want to give priority to one specific collection. I'll change this heading to Shop by Offer as well, and here you can add any external product or collection link, plus change its hover color. Below that you'll find quite a few more options you can adjust based on your own preference, like section width, spacing, and the section's background color. Let's try changing that to black, but honestly it doesn't make much of a difference, so I'll just leave it white. And lastly, there's a border color option too. I'll leave that as is as well. Now let's close this and click on any slide again, since its settings weren't fully done yet. Here's the second option, Image Link, meaning you can add a link behind these images too, since a lot of people click directly on the image instead of the text. You can add a collection or product link here, and there's one more collection link option below it as well. Once you're done with all that, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.